This is the video where I show you how to get a UK bank account which can be linked to your UK TikTok for withdrawals. And if you don't know how to create a UK TikTok account, I made a step-by-step guide video on how to create a UK TikTok account from any country without a VPN. You can watch this video that pops on your screen right now, or just go through my channel later to watch that video. Now, I've used a lot of fintech apps which allows you to receive international payment, but I'll be showing you the one I found to be perfect and works every single time, which is also the one I've been using to receive payments from my UK TikTok account and my PayPal. I mean, that's why we're here, right? So the app I use is called Grey. Grey is a digital banking app that allows users, especially freelancers and remote workers, to open foreign accounts and receive international payments. And you can get this app on App Store for iPhones and on Play Store for Android. Here is a screenshot of the first international payment I received using Grey. You can see the date and the time, and here is another screenshot of an international payment I received using Grey. Here is also another one and another one and another one. Trust me, this can keep going on, but to save your time, let's proceed to creating this bank account. It's very easy to set up, just like your normal online banking apps like OPay and PalmPay for those of you living in Nigeria. And if you're not living in Nigeria, it's just as easy as setting up any online banking in your country. So once you download the app, just click Get Started, and here you are required to select your country. Mine is Nigeria. Just select yours, and here you're going to select if you want to sign up with an Apple ID, a Google account, or an email address. I'll advise you sign up with an email address so you can fill in the right information yourself. So on the next page, you are required to fill in your basic information. Ensure to input everything exactly as it is on your ID so you don't face any issues later. This is very serious. Ensure to input everything as it is on your ID so you don't face any issues later. Once all information has been entered correctly, just click Continue. You can use my referral code if you wish, just to support me, but I don't think you'll be getting any bonus as this isn't a sponsored video. But if you register using my referral code, I'll be getting some bonus for anybody that signs up or actually use the app, and that will be very much appreciated. So on the next page, you'll be required to set up a password. Just ensure it meets the requirements as listed below. Now agree to the terms and conditions. You can read it if you want and just click Continue. An OTP will be sent to your email, so just paste the code right here. And on this next page, you'll be asked to select what you want to use this app for. Now, once the account has been created, you'll be asked to create a 4-digit PIN which will be used for your transactions and to log into this app on your phone. And once that is done, the next step is to verify your ID. Unfortunately, I already verified my ID on my Grey account before even thinking of making this video, but I promise it's very easy and straightforward. Just input your details and do whatever is required of you, and this won't take more than 48 hours and your account will get verified. Now, once your account has been verified, the next step is to request for this British pound account, which is very easy. So on the home page, just click here and then select British pounds. So since I already have a British pounds account, I'll just go with euro, but the step is the same. For you, you'll be selecting British pounds and follow along with the video while I continue with a euro account, but the step is totally the same. Now click Get Bank Account and go ahead and click Yes, it is correct, and immediately the account should be given to you. Now the next step is linking this bank account to your TikTok account, so you want to pay close attention so you don't miss any step or make silly mistakes. And if you've watched this video to this point, kindly like the video and please hit the subscribe button, because I have a target goal of hitting 1K subscribers before the end of the year, and this is already September, and let's just say I'm still far away from that. So it would be very appreciated if you hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to recommend this video to a friend who needs it. Let's continue. So on your TikTok homepage, just click the burger icon at the top right corner and click Balance. Now swipe this tab at the top and then click Update Payment Method. Here you have two options, which is either a PayPal account or bank transfer. So since you don't have a PayPal account, what you are going to be using is the bank transfer method. So just click option 2 and click continue. An OTP will be sent to you. Just input it right here and then click done. Now you're going to fill in every information on this page with the British account details which we just acquired from Gray. So just take your time and input every information and ensure it is correct. And then right here you can just input your email. It can be that of your TikTok or your Gray email account. Whichever one you choose will work just fine. And as you can see, our British Pounds account has now been linked to our UK TikTok account, and if you have any balance on your UK TikTok account, it will be automatically transferred to your British account which we got from Gray. And if it's your earnings from live streaming that doesn't get automatically transferred, you can just go ahead and click withdraw and it will be withdrawn to your bank account. How are you going to withdraw this money from Gray to your local bank account? It is very easy. Just select any account you have money on, which I assume will be the UK account. You can just send it directly from your British Pounds account straight to your local bank account and it will be automatically converted with the current rates. So right here, just click send and then select bank transfer and then click send to a new recipient. Select the currency, which I assume will be your local currency. Mine is Naira. If you are not a Nigerian, if you're watching this video from Ghana, from Kenya, whatever African country you're watching this video from, select your local currency and then fill in your bank details and just go ahead and transfer this money straight to your local account. And it's that easy. On my next video, I'll be teaching you how to verify your identity on your UK TikTok account using your local means of identification. I mean, if you're in Nigeria, you can use your NIN or your international passport. If you're in any other country, I'm sure you have means of identification and you also have an international passport. I'll show you how to verify your identity on your UK TikTok account using your local ID card. So if you don't want to miss that video, just hit that subscribe button and I'll see you on the next one.